guys, I'm at 1 o'clock a.m. here, and it seems like the power's gonna go out soon, or maybe later, but for now, let's just put it this way. The power lines are like coming down or something, maybe. I think I see one coming down, I don't know. But the winds are pretty much being high and stuff, so I'm still online, but let's put it this way. There might and might not be a possible chance that I won't be uploading it right now, but because it's 1 a.m. right now, but I have to go upstairs and go to sleep. Maybe, but I will still have footage on the storm tonight, so yeah. Thank you for watching all this time, and I will be awake later tonight, so maybe in the morning at 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, I don't remember, but for now, let's just put it this way. I will be live for this footage thing, so yeah. Thank you, and I will be awake for hours and hours, but I won't be at the same area though. Okay, thank you, bye.